I'm in a little bit of shock, you can tell.
We're ready to head in to our construction zone. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for just a productive work day in my life. I am so pumped because today's video is actually sponsored by Reebok Canada. They actually sent over a few outfit options for Dylan and I to wear the entire day from their winter escape collection. I'm going to try to link as much as possible. You can grab any of these things at Sport Check. So that will all be in the description box below. We kind of had a late start to the day. I just did my makeup and actually took a shower this morning. I don't normally shower in the morning. I usually shower the night before, but since all the days are kind of rolling into one right now and I'm pretty much home most of the time, it's such a great way to like really wake yourself up. I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. Let's show you guys the goods. So all these things are actually from their Reebok Winter Escape collection, which I really love. This whole like retro après-ski vibe. Obviously I'm not traveling anywhere or going anywhere right now, so this kind of is very reminiscent of, you know, when we actually used to go away for the winter. This stuff is really comfortable. I'm so excited to wear it. I'm not sure which sweater I should wear, either this oat colored one or the navy one. I'm probably gonna go towards the navy one just so that Dylan has a few options too. And then, okay, I'm excited about all this stuff, but I'm especially excited for these. They sent a pair of brand new Reebok sneakers for Dylan and I. These are actually Dylan's, but guys, I have a pair of these already. I've worn them like seriously to the ground. They're over a year old now, and I was actually gonna purchase a pair, so this collaboration came definitely at the right time. Also, how cute are these toques? I think this will still go because there's like some cream in the little detailing here. So I am going to get dressed and let's go about our day. Okay, so the first thing I usually do in the morning is kind of sit down and decide what I have to do in terms of work today. So today all I really have on the agenda is to film. So that gives us some time to actually take you guys along to the house and show you guys a house update. They started painting, guys. It's looking really good, so I'm excited to bring you guys up there. And then the other thing that we have to do along with filming for this collab is to shoot our Instagram photos. So Dylan and I are doing a couples Instagram photo with Toledo, and we're just going to be wearing Reebok all day, which is great because this is like super comfy and so up my alley of what I would normally wear on a work day like this anyway. So I'm just gonna work a little bit on my computer and we'll catch you guys in a little. So excuse all of the mess. We are moving right now and have started packing stuff already. So that's what all that is in the background. I want to show you guys my outfit before we step out for the day and go for a WALK with Toledo. So I am wearing these Reebok leggings. I believe they are thermal or supposed to keep you warm because I'm quite warm. So these are really good for going outside. I love the little like retro detail here. I'm also wearing this cropped winter escape sweater. This is like my favorite type of crop because it is like oversized but at the same time short, so I feel like it's very flattering for my body type. And then they also gave us these matching toques, which I think is super cute. And then don't have them on right now, but on my feet I will have my my Reebok like classic sneakers, and we're just gonna go and we're also gonna shoot Instagram photos. I also realized we're like so matchy. Okay, so remember the sweaters I showed you guys earlier? The cool thing is that, oh, look at Dylan. Oh, that's so cute. But this thing is actually reversible. So I showed you guys on the fuzzy side, but it's actually reversible. And then these pants are super soft. I may like steal these from Dylan later. Okay, and we're gonna go.
Okay, okay. Sit, 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 sit. Oh, you okay?
Okay. Let's use you for balance.
Yeah. Done?
Yep, we're all good. Did you have a good walk, Beans? Did you have a good walk? Okay, so, whoa. We just got home. I'm looking through a few emails and stuff like that, but we're actually gonna head on over to the house. I don't wanna keep you guys waiting because some really, really cool changes have already like happened. Yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys the house. So we're just gonna get going and pack up our bags. We're ready to head in to our construction zone.
Oh, it's so nice.
Is it nice? The lighting?
The lighting looks really good. Probably doesn't look much
It looks
different on
probably exactly
camera.
the same, but we certainly see a difference. The walls in here are definitely simply white.
Yeah. Also, just the way the walls feel, it's already better because before it was just this, it was like this pasty kind of paint.
Oh my goodness.
But it's not even done yet.
You can't even see my expression because I'm wearing a mask, but I'm shocked. Wow. Okay. Oh.
It's nice.
It's really nice. Personally, I'm feeling like I'm in a little bit of shock because
it's too warm for you think? I think it's actually good.
I think it's good too. I just I think I'm so used to seeing it so bright that I'm like, oh my god, it's really warm. But that's what I wanted.
No, this house calls for a warm.
Yeah, you guys have to see the ceiling. The ceiling's being painted. It's really cool. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, okay.
Good. It feels so much better. We didn't actually show you guys last time, so when you come down the stairs, like into like the basement, this is technically the basement. This is going to be our office / studio. So we fixed all our electrical. It was kind of a mess. I hope you guys can hear me. But we fixed our electrical. So before, I'm going to insert a before clip, but all our outlets were embedded into the baseboards, and we had to raise them up to like a code level. And since they were embedded into the baseboards, we obviously had to replace our baseboards down here. But yeah, so we're gonna have this whole area for filming so you guys can see. My plan down here is to have a little sofa or maybe 2 chairs. We're gonna have a floor-length mirror on the other side so I can do outfit photos, and also it'll help bring in some light down here. You can see on this other side, there's a closet down here too. So I think this is technically considered a bedroom, but we're not using it for that. So this will house all our softbox lighting, our tripods, things like that. And then eventually we're going to close this door up because this is just going to be one continuous space. So I'll show you guys, but this is going to be completely drywalled up. We're not going to have a door here at some point because there's a door over here. And since there's a door over here, obviously there's no point having a door there and a door here. Eventually though, so the office, as you guys can see, is connected to where you guys are standing, which is the studio space. So this is where we're going to do all our crafts. All our office furniture is going to be in here. So we're going to have our desk in the middle. We're going to have 2 office chairs. We put a ton of outlets all around the wall. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then there's a 4th one here for now, which is good. So we're going to be able to have our printer plugged in, my sewing machine when I want to, edit down here and all that. I can't wait till this is all totally cleaned up. It's a really good space. We're going to have storage all along this wall. And then my plan is to brighten this up eventually. It's going to look so dope. Our plan is to actually do glass wall all across this wall. So I want like a complete glass wall with a glass door, and just have this all glass, so that way we can write on here dry erase marker or whatever. It could be like our idea board, but at the same time it's going to bring more light in from the upstairs, and it's just going to feel open and cool down here. I haven't really seen a lot of people do that, so let me know if you guys have any glass wall situations or partitions in your houses and stuff like that. Oh, also pot lights, guys. It's just so great. It's gonna be so good for editing down here. So happy we made this choice and did pot lights throughout the entire ceiling. I don't even know what kind of light. I guess there was a light in the middle here, right? I'm really excited for that. But like the glass thing, it's probably not going to happen this year.
Okay, so we're finally home. This feels really weird because I never ever film at night. It's like only 6 p.m. but it's super dark. Guys, I'm so happy with how the ceiling is turning out. It looks so dreamy and beautiful. I'm pumped to get furniture in there. I think it's gonna look really, really stunning. If you guys want more updates about the house and all that, definitely watch this space, but also follow me on Instagram because that's where all like the instant updates are happening. Literally the minute we got paint on that ceiling, I was like Instagram storying it. I also want to thank Reebok Canada for sponsoring this video and working with me on this one. I'm honestly obsessed with this stuff. I know this is going to be like my go-to dog walking sweater. You can definitely shop it on sportcheck.ca as well. I'm literally just going to finish editing this vlog, send in my content, and watch The Bachelor. I think I'm going to make my deadline. So hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.